Welcome back. Is Microsoft Word not automatically changing your first, second, third into Superscript and not moving up to the top of your numbers? Your autocorrect settings are probably turned off. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix it in seconds. So all you need to do is click on the file in the top left corner and select the option at the bottom and then click on the proofing. So from there, open the AutoCorrect option button and then switch over to the AutoFormat As You Type tab and simply check the box that says Ordinals first with Superscript, and here it is. You just need to click OK. And now click OK to proceed and click OK to proceed. And now type, for example, second, hit spacebar. It will be turned instantly, convert beautifully, and now your text will now instantly convert beautifully every single time you type. So this way you can easily fix Superscript not working in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.